Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last week and how the price of gold can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, gold is trading at a level of around $1855 as of now. Okay, and from, you can say from May, after it has made a high of around $2080, it is continuously on the downtrend. Okay, and since few weeks you have seen it is continuously on the downtrend. Okay, because it has already made a half this particular level of $2080. After that it is continuously on the downside. Okay, yesterday also you have seen that it was moving in a zone. As soon as the zone breakout happens, we have seen a fall. Okay, and day before also we have seen it was moving in a zone and a breakout happened, and where we have seen a continuous downfall. So before I explain you how the price of gold can move in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link I have given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, if you look at this particular chart from 2020 to 2022, we have seen this is a 2-year pattern. Okay, from 2020 to 2022, and this is an 8-month pattern. Similarities are same. A U pattern is forming, a fall as we have seen, and then a rise after a U pattern is forming. But before that there was a 8-year pattern and 12-year patterns. Okay, these similar patterns are forming. Okay, now if you look at this particular zone, there is a continuous downtrend. Okay, again if it moves, now we have seen a sharp fall today itself. So probability can be high that if the price didn't sustain also, we can see a further fall. But if it sustain above a level of around $1855, then it can go further upside, and a probability of moving towards a level of around 1866 will be there, and then further high. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link I've given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, now suppose if the price didn't sustain this level also. Okay, so what we can see, if the price didn't sustain this level, we can see it can go further down towards a level of around $1853.8. Okay, and if the price fall below that particular level, then the next support coming at a level of around 1847. Okay, now if the price fall below 1847, then chances are very high that if the price fall below 1847, we can see it will go towards a level of around $1839. And if the price fall below 1839, then a further fall we can see towards a level of around $1831. Okay, keep that in mind that if the price fall below a level of 1831, chances of going towards a level of around 1828 will be there, and from there we can see a level of around 1824. Okay, now once the price fall below 1824, then a probability, what you can see, that it can go further down towards 1814, and from there a probability of going towards $1808. After 1814 we can see a level of $1808. Now there will be a zone breakout. If the price fall below this level, then we can see it can go below a level of 1800, and then the further fall. Okay, so now what you have to understand looking at this particular chart, that if there is a fall, okay, see there is a continuous 3 days fall. We have seen it is mostly moving in a 3 days downfall. Okay, see most of the price when it started falling, it is moving in this particular zone. Okay, so always remember that if the price, always try to set your SL, because market is uncertain. Always try to trail your SL. It will save your profit, and SL will save your capital. These two things are very important. Okay, so suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it can go further upside towards a level of around $1857.60. Okay, and if the price move above that level, then chances of crossing a level of 1869 will be there. After 1857, chances are very high that it can cross a level of around $1869, and from there a further high we can see, and a probability of going towards a level of 1889. Okay, again I repeat, suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it can go towards a level of around $1857.80, and from there a probability of crossing a level of around 1869. Okay, this 1869 is already being tested here, so chances are high it will cross that level and can go towards a level of around 1889. Okay, and suppose if the price move up that particular level, it will go towards a level of 1898, and from there a probability of going towards a level of 1991. Okay, so once the price move above a level of 1919, it will come again in this zone. but probability of moving further down is on a higher side till the time it is not moving above a level of $1866. Okay, so look at this particular chart. So as soon as it started moving above a level of around 1884, then a further upside we can see, because it will come again in this zone from where it was moving for so long. Okay, now okay, and a workshop also I do where I teach how to trade and invest, how to look at the chart, how to see fundamental and technical analysis. Okay, overall trend is downside. Okay, so as soon as it moves in a zone and if it breakout happens, a further fall we can see. Now it is trading at a level of $1854.89. So if the price didn't sustain, we can see further fall, but if the price sustain, then a further upside we can see, and a probability of going towards 1862 will be there, and then from there a further high we can see. Okay, so hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe it.